Hey y'all, in today's video we're going to talk about why this happens and what to do when it happens. So in this case, there was a piece of gunk underneath the print head that was dragging across the print. But this also can happen if you don't have a leveled exit tray that is leveled with the sheet coming out. In this case, it was not that, but it was that there was some ink at the bottom because I haven't quite done my maintenance like I should. Now, when this occurs and you fix your exit tray, you must ensure that you clean the bottom of the print head, or this is going to continue to happen when the ink dries and starts to scrape. So to do that, I'm going to show you what I do to clean the bottom of the print head. I'm going to do it on the 3880. Turn off the printer. Take off my exit tray. Hold on, let me toss this in the garbage. Take off my exit tray. Close it. Turn it on. And when the print head swipes, unplug. When the print head disengages, it'll swing to the left. And unplug it. And just like that. Now, let me find it. I'm going to get this plastic notebook sheet that I have and this rag and wet it with Windex and put this inside. I'll show you in a second. Alright, so I put the plastic thing on the inside. I put Windex on the rag. I'm going to insert it through there and into underneath the print head here. I'm going to need 2 hands for this. I'll be right back. Alright, and then you slowly swipe your print head. As you see, all that ink is on the bottom of the print head. Take a note on that one piece of gunk. I like to remove it before I continue swiping. If it's too much, switch the rag, because you don't want to continue to contaminate. But you want to do this softly until you remove all the gunk. Make sure you're done. Do this a few times, because the first time will soften it, second time will remove some, third time it should be clean. Once I'm done, I start it back up and we're good to go. You want to make sure your capping station is clean. You also want to make sure that the shirt is not bunched up like this. Otherwise, the print head will not roll over it smoothly. And lightly swipe over. As you see, it got caught. You don't want that to happen. Right? When you're done, you can switch up the rag if you're not done. Move to another piece. I pull it up. And then plug in your printer. You should be good to go.